Those who own OPSCOR Fast helmets can get many of the features and benefits of the Fast SF ballistic and carbon composite super high-cut helmets by cost-effectively upgrading several key components. The universal exterior loop kit can fit all helmet sizes and has an irregular shape, providing more attachment points, breaking up the helmet's IR signature. Velcro fasteners allow for secure, quick, and easy attachment and detachment of accessories. The patented OPSCOR Arc with new skeleton rail and shim design makes the Fast helmet a more streamlined platform capable of integrating mission-enhancing components and accessories. The durable, lightweight rails fit the bolt pattern of Fast helmets in sizes medium to extra large. With a quick and easy replacement, the rails and shims mount to the sides of the helmet and use existing chin strap holes. Numerous non-snag attachment points provide quick, easy, and secure mounting of accessories and clean routing of external wires and cables. The rails are compatible with ballistic visors, mandibles, and appliques for fully integrated face protection and are designed for emergency release of accessories to prevent neck injuries in the event of snagging. The corners of the rails are compatible with OPSCOR O2 mask straps. The OPSCOR modular bungee shroud is the lightest night vision shroud available. The insert can be changed without removing the frame from the helmet for multiple mounting solutions. The integrated night vision bungee eliminates interference with accessories. Carabiner clips provide a snag-free NVG retention and stabilization solution. The OPSCOR vented Lux Liner suspension system combines a one-piece full coverage impact layer with modular, breathable comfort pads that can be customized or repositioned for comfort without affecting impact protection. Vents and a more streamlined geometry enhance airflow and comfort during extended use. The pads are durable, breathable, low absorbency, removable, and washable. These component upgrades are compatible with all Fast ballistic and non-ballistic helmets. Learn more at opscor.com.